Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Muhammad, and in this video, inshallah, we will continue our videos about Tajweed rules. We're doing them through the book Reach the Goal via Tajweed rules, and inshallah, the link for this book and also the presentation are down in the description. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it as it supports us a lot. And if you wanted to talk about something, Islamic studies, Arabic lessons, or Quran and Tajweed, feel free to leave a comment. Inshallah, we will answer you and make this video soon as we can. And now, let's get started. Alhamdulillah, we started in Maad, and today it's the second types of Maad. As the last time we started by Maad Tabi'i. Maad Tabi'i. We have 8 types of Maad. We will do 3 of them now, inshallah. And we said Maad Tabi'i is the natural Maad. That's the Maad letter. It's not followed by a Hamza or Sukoon, and also not preceded by a Hamza. In this case, it's a natural Maad, the normal one. Maad letter, not followed by Hamza or Sukoon. And by this, you will find the difference. The next for today, inshallah, is Maad al-Badal, Maad al-Iwad, and Maad Aarid للسكون. Okay, here we have Maad al-Badal. What is it? Maad al-Badal is every Hamza or every Maad letter preceded by a Hamza. Maad al-Badal is every Maad letter preceded by a Hamza. This means a natural normal Maad, but there is a Hamza before it. As you see here, it's every Maad letter preceded by a Hamza, and it's not followed by a second letter or a Hamza too. And how many beats we do? It's 2 beats. Prolong it for 2 beats. Examples are, we have here, as you see, بِآيَاتِنَا, بِآيَاتِنَا, the same type for Maad al-Badal, and also natural Maad, as you see here, it's an Alif Maad. Here we have a Hamza, then there is an Alif Maad, no Hamza or Sukoon after it. This is Maad al-Badal, it's 2 beats. And here it's the same, we say Al-Ayah, 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 2 beats Maad, it's Maad Badal as we have a Hamza, Alif Maad after it, no Hamza or Sukoon, as you know. The next is Ra'ahu, Ra'ahu, it's 2 beats Maad. Hamza, Maad letter, no Hamza or Sukoon after, it's simply what Maad Badal is. The next type we have is Maad al-Iwad, Maad Iwad. Okay, Iwad in Arabic means compensatory or compensation. Maad Iwad is compensatory. Okay, its replacement of Tanween Fatha presents at the end of the word while stopping at it. While stopping at it. And we replace it by an Alif Maad. It's only Tanween Fatha if you notice that there is an Alif Maad after every Tanween Fatha. There is an Alif Maad as you see here, Tanween Fatha, and followed by Alif. This Alif is not pronounceable, but here's our rule. Once you stop on this Alif, you will replace it by a Maad. Once you stop on this word, you will replace Tanween by a Maad. Instead of saying Turaban, we say Turaba. Turaba, ba. It's Maad. How many beats? It's 2 beats Maad. Okay, now compensatory Maad or Maad al-Iwad is when we have Tanween Fatha and we stop on it. It's the last word in the ayah, or you stop in the middle of the ayah, but you stop on this word. You will do it as a Maad, for 2 beats. Here we have Saffa, Saffa, instead of Saffan, Fan. And this one should be Sabaha, not Sabahan, Sabaha. Okay. That's it. It's the second type for today. And the last Maad type is Maad Aarid للسكون. Aarid in Arabic means temporary, and Sukoon means stopping, if you stop on it. If a mad طبيعي is followed by a letter at the end of the word which has been made second temporarily because the reader has to stop at the word, the reader should prolong the mad طبيعي to be مد عارض للسكون. How many beats? It's 2, 4, or 6 beats. Let's make it simple. It's if you have any kind of med طبيعي, natural med, and there is only one letter after it, and you stop on this word. And instead of making 2 beats as a natural med, you will do it 2, 4, or 6 beats. 2, 4, or 6 beats. Commonly, we use 4 beats. Okay? Here we have سجيل. As you see, this ya is a natural med. There's no hamza, no sukun after it. It's a natural med. But if I stop on this word, it's now med عارض للسكون. It became temporary as I stop on it. Temporary for sukun. We say سجيل. سجيل. You count 4 on your fingers, it's 4 beats. 2, 4, or 6 are all right. And the next is أخي أخي العظيم العظيم سجيل سجيل الرحيم يتساءلون. And that's it for today. It's our 3 types of مد البدل, مد العوض, مد عارض للسكون. Inshallah, you will find it easy, and we will continue in the next video. That's it for now. Do not forget to share this video with your friends to share the benefits. May Allah reward all of us. May Allah please you. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.